Hello, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Just let me check if I have gone live. Okay. How have you all been doing? I hope good. Okay. Hi, good evening. Please drop in a hi. I'm seeing you guys after really long. Hello, Shalini. It's nice to see everyone. So I think we'll wait for a minute or two and then we shall begin. As you guys know, you may have seen a lot of reminders that were happening throughout the week. So I hope you have collected all the things that you require to make a DIY planter. Hello Sid, hello Angela, how are you? Good evening. Nice to see you guys here. Hello. We shall begin sharp by 4:31 or something. So until then, if you have all of your things ready, just assemble them right in front of you. I shall go through all the materials once, okay, before we begin. Just drop in a hi, hello once you just come in so that I know that people are coming in. Hello Saloni, good evening. Hi Raj. Hello Monimala. Good evening. Let me check the time. It is 4:31. We are more or less ready to begin. I'll just wait for a few seconds and then we shall resume. Okay. If you guys have any questions or if you have any doubts, feel free to comment here in the live session and my team or me, I will look into the question and I will answer you right away. I hope you guys have all the things ready. For today, we are going to make the DIY crazy planter. As you guys must have already seen the post. So we have the World Emoji Day coming soon. So that's the reason why we picked this beautiful topic. So let us go through the materials that you require for making this entire project. So first I have taken a bottle. Okay, you can take any plastic bottle that you have at home. So make use of that. Then we require the Fevicryl acrylic color. I have used the golden yellow. You can take any color of your choice. There are different yellows available with us. Also, I've taken a brush. I'll keep it aside. A felt pen. Black is okay. Pencil. Scissors. A cutter. For this, kids would require their parents' help. This is quite sharp. So you have to be very careful. Even for parents, the cutters are usually sharp. So please be careful. Fevicol A+, and some foam sheets. So just give me a thumbs up once that you're ready. Then I will just begin. Let me check. Okay. So I shall not waste much of the time. We will directly begin with the making of our DIY crazy planter. First, you take the bottle and then you have to divide it more or less same into half. So what I'll do is with the felt pen, I'll just mark the area that I require. Okay, this is just for my reference. I'll just mark it like this and then I'll start cutting. Now, the making or the cutting of this entire bottle is a little difficult because it requires strength and again you need to have really sharp blade or a cutter. So kids, please take your parents' help over here. Okay. So what I will do is I will just cut it. I will insert my cutter and start cutting it neat here. So you have to be very careful while using the cutter. Even this cutter is pretty sharp. think once you've digged in through, to make the process a little more easier, you can actually use the scissor. The scissor has to be sharp and follow the lines that you made so it will cut out evenly. See? It is cutting out easily. So initially, just to poke through, you can make use of the cutter, but be careful. The cutters are really very sharp. Like that. So I have divided my bottle and I will cut out extra part which look very pokey or pointy, which may hurt. So you can just refine the edges with the sandpaper, or else if you've cut it out clean, it's completely alright. I will keep my cutter aside. Hi Moniwala, I'm doing good. I hope everyone is good at home. So our next step is to take the color. Again, I have used the Fevicryl acrylic golden yellow. I'll take my brush. I will dip in and just start painting. So you can directly use the Fevicryl acrylic color on the bottle. Okay, you may have to apply 2 to 3 layers so that the color is visible and prominent. So I'll just color on one side just to show you how the first layer will look like. So it's quite visible. Okay, it's quite visible, so that is not a problem. But just in case, just apply another layer of Fevicryl acrylic color. Let the first layer dry. You wait for it. Apply the second layer. Let the second layer dry. And then apply the third layer if you require, like an opaque color. Okay. So you have to color the entire bottle with Fevicryl acrylic golden yellow. Or we have chrome yellow available as well. If you have that yellow at home, you can make use of it. So go slowly. Okay. Paint the front side first. We'll do the bottom part later. Why? Because we'll have to make the front side visible and painted. Okay. And then we go to the bottom. So when it is drying, you can just keep it upside down while drying. So we have covered the entire bottle with Fevicryl acrylic golden yellow. Okay. If you let this dry, then you apply the second layer, then you go on to the third layer. So I will show you how it looks once it has been painted. I'll just keep this down. I'll close my color so that I do not drop it. Okay. So here, this is how it will look like once it has been dried. So I've applied like 3 layers of the Fevicryl acrylic chrome yellow, golden yellow color. Okay. So here, my next step is to take the foam sheets. Okay. So I will pick any emoticon of my choice. If you have any of your favorite emoticon or emoji, you can just draw out those elements on the foam sheets and then we cut out. So I like the winking smiley. So what I will do is, I will just make the elements. First, I will make the eye. So I'll take felt pen and draw a circle. Okay, that is for the eye. Then I will make the tongue that is sticking out. Here. I've made the tongue. And then I will make the mouth area with the black foam sheet. And then we have its one eye winking, right? So I've also made the wink and also the eyeball, small brown. I don't know if it's visible on the black, but it's visible to me. So what I will do now is I will start cutting it. So you have to take scissor and cut out all these elements nicely. So there is a reason why we celebrate the World Emoji Day on the 17th of July. So initially, the concept of calendar was started by the Apple industry. Okay, when they had released their first calendar, it was on the 17th of July 2002. And on 17th of July is like, even if you have to look at the if you guys have Apple phone, and if you have to look at the calendar option, it will still have July 17th as the date. So the date will never change on that icon. And if you have Android phones, there are separate emojis for the Android phones. Again, the date on that calendar will also be 17th July, because that date marks the day where the calendar was introduced into the electronic world, okay, into the world of phones. And 2002 is like, it's in the past now. And back in those days, all these things were new, and it was really fancy to see calendars actually in your cell phones, and Apple had made it possible. Hence, it is celebrated on the July 17th. And if you have to search the emojis again on WhatsApp, the calendar date changes. It changes to something as 24th. You'll have the 24 number on it. So the reason why that is the date, I think it's 24th of February if I'm not wrong. And they have that date on their calendar. It also has a year when WhatsApp was introduced to us. Okay, it was 24th of Feb, and hence they have that emoticon in their WhatsApp view where the emoji is 24th of February. So that's the reason why whenever if you use the emoji from your phone, it directly changes into 24th February on WhatsApp. I know it's a very tricky thing that I'm saying, but you have to look at it by yourself to know what I'm trying to say. So that's the reason why we celebrate the World Emoji Day on the 17th of July. And there are many other events that happen on the 17th of July. Hence, it's like a fixed date where some new emojis are introduced. So something related to emojis happen on the 17th of July. So I have all my elements cut out. So I'll just show you. I have the tongue, okay, the black portion. So the tongue will come above the black portion like this. Then I have the eye and chotusa eyeball over here. Okay, I've kept it ready. And then I have the eye that is winking. Okay, it's like a small wink, and I've kept it aside. So what I will quickly do is I will take all these elements and stick it with Fevicol A+. So while I'm sticking, I'll also talk about something called as Emojipedia. Now, Emojipedia is a place, like just the way we have Wikipedia or a dictionary of what certain things mean. Similarly, Emojipedia is somewhere where you can get the information of all the emojis and also how a particular emoji looks in different phone or different interfaces. Like Android has its own, Microsoft has its own kind of looking emojis, Apple has different kind of looking emojis, Samsung has different emojis. So each brand has their own way of depicting something. Hence, you can have a look at everything, what an emoji means, why is it like that, and everything. So there's an entire dictionary of information of all the emojis that are there out there in the world. So next step is to take the bottle that we painted and you just let these dry. Mine are still drying. I will just place it here. Okay, I'll just check first if it's fitting well. Then I will place the eye and then the winking part. Okay, once I am ready, I will just mark with a pencil for a safer side so as to know where I'm going to be sticking what, so that I don't miss out on anything. And then I will take my Fevicol A+ and start sticking it on my bottle. Now this project or this article is quick and easy. This is the best thing that you can do on the World Emoji Day, along with getting information of certain emojis. You can take any emojis that you like, any emojis that you love. You can cut out their elements and start sticking them on your DIY crazy planter. So you can welcome the World Emoji Day in this manner. And also, do not forget to tag us in whatever that you make, show us what you've made, show us all the emojis of how creative you can get. You can also try and do a fusion of two emojis, okay? You can have different elements. Say if you want a smiley emoji, or if you want that something that has a star sticking out, so you can have stars, and on top of that you can also stick hearts, so it will look much more pretty. So it all depends on what and how you want to make. So here I have my crazy DIY crazy planter ready. This is drying and I have another made here. So what you can do is you can either fill the bottle with water, okay, and then place your plant in it. So I have my plant. I'll just pour water in it and my plant is ready. So you can keep this money plant in your indoors because it does not require much light. Even the light at home is enough. But otherwise, if you want to place your planter outside, you'll have to put mud in it, put your favorite seed or your favorite plant, you put the seed in it and you let it grow on the outside. So the plants where you're putting mud and everything, you can just keep it in your windowsill, outside your door, wherever there's sun penetrating in that place. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. Today's session was pretty easy and you can just make it just like that without memorizing anything. But if at all you didn't understand anything or if you have missed out on any step, you can always come back. The video will be uploaded once the session is over. Okay, so do not feel scared that you cannot do it, or do not be like stuck somewhere. You can always come back and ask us. And do not forget to make this amazing DIY crazy planter. Tag us at FeviCreate. We are there on Instagram, Facebook. Have a look at the multiple projects that we have out there on our website. You can visit www.fevicreate.com. We have a lot of projects out there, and also you can make. We have different contests going on every weekend, every time. So we'll have you updated. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's session. This is me, Denisia, signing off.